All right, so part D of this question is comparing the momentum of mass 3 with the momentum of mass 1. Now let's calculate the momentum of mass 1. It's m1 into 4 because it was given that mass 1 has initial velocity of 4 meter per second. Let's calculate the momentum of mass 3. We were able to calculate the velocity of mass 3 with the help of the equations you see as key concept. And you can see down below the velocity of mass 3 has been calculated after the mass 2 comes and strikes it. It is 16 by 9. So if you calculate the momentum of mass 3, it is 4 times the mass of mass 1 multiplied by the velocity you calculated using the key concept here. The answer is 64 by 9, which is clearly greater than the velocity of the initial mass 1. So the answer is that the momentum of mass 3 is greater than the momentum of mass 1. Thank you.